What's my giant cup holder for? Joe, this is for you if you can if you watching this video. So like honestly guys, it was in the middle of this pandemic, right? This COVID-19, that I noticed that I need a cup holder for my motorcycle, because look, I have to go stop by Tim Hortons almost every day. I stop every single day, and what happened is that the restaurants, coffee shops, they were all closed, right? I think nowadays they started opening, and they are open. You can go inside and get your coffee and leave, like a pickup sort of thing. But it used to be closed, right? And only drive-through was allowed. And I don't know how it works for you guys, but here in Ontario, we can't walk in the drive-through and ask for a coffee. They're not gonna give us coffee, so you need to be on your vehicle to drive through drive-through, right? So that was when I decided to have a cup holder that I can just drive in the drive-through and ask. Holy, look at the lineup, eh? Okay guys, so I can't I don't want to wait in the line in the drive-through lineup, because you see it's a long one. But I think I can go inside. Let me try. I'm gonna try go inside and get my coffee. I think they just started allowing people to go in, so honestly I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah guys, so if you want to know, like that was the reason, the whole reason for buying this cup holder, because look, I wanted to go through the drive-through and ask for a coffee, place it in here and pull somewhere over, and then having my coffee and just maybe walk, maybe sit, right? Depends where I am. But I might go farther in the future and buy a mug or something, place it here. But look, I'm not, like, I have a full face helmet on, so I'm not drinking while I'm riding, and I don't think that anyone does. So I think a mug or a cup for the cup holder gonna be, you know, almost useless. This is the best scenario. You just go through drive-through, ask for a coffee, place your coffee in here, pull somewhere over and have your coffee, right? I'm gonna go get my coffee. I'm gonna walk inside the Tim Hortons. I think they allow people nowadays. So I was right. I could walk in to the Tim Hortons and get my coffee, so that's pretty good. I think on Friday even they are allowed to allow a certain amount of people in to sit, and that's exciting. Okay guys, you see, and it's shaky, right? So it might spill, so I don't ride while I have my coffee in the cup holder for, you know, I don't ride for a long time. I just from the drive-through all the way to the parking to park, right? And if I get the bigger mug, I can just place it in here and it's gonna sit tight, not gonna go anywhere. But as I said, for me the whole purpose was being you know, it's like able to go through drive-through and get my coffee and place it here and then pull somewhere over to have my coffee, right?